Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a software where we can download many operating systems under under a host or system. So to download VirtualBox, we have to go to its website, which is virtualbox.org. Now at the home page, click on the downloads available at the left corner. Here we can see the latest version of VirtualBox is 6.1. If you're presently using 64-bit operating system, then you can download the VirtualBox right here from this link with Windows host, and also you need to download extension pack, which is available right down here. And but if you are using a 32-bit operating system, then you need to download 5.2 version, which is an older version. So as I'm currently using 32-bit operating system, so I'll scroll down and locate VirtualBox older builds and click on this link given. Here we can find the VirtualBox 5.2, which is to be downloaded. As the installation process of both 6.1 and 5.2 are both same, so I'm proceeding with 5.2. Here is a link to download VirtualBox 5.2. Click on this Windows host and download the .exe application. Select the folder and save. And also we need to download the extension pack. It is available right below. So download it. Save. After download is complete, click on the virtualbox.exe application. This will initialize the installation. Now click on run. It's installing. Click next. Remain it as default. If you want to change it, then you can. Next, and yes, install. Now the installing is finished, and click finish, and it will launch the application VirtualBox, and the application was launched. It was here. This is the home screen of the VirtualBox. We need to add the Kali Linux operating system, so selecting this now. But before that, we need to download the Kali Linux .iso file. So we will head to its website. Now click on download. Now we need to download Kali Linux with .iso file, as it is used by the VirtualBox. So click on bare metal, and if you are using 64-bit, then download it from here. As I'm using 32-bit, I will download it. Installer. So save. It will take some time to get download. So the Kali Linux.iso file has been downloaded. It has been here. So now launch the VirtualBox application. Okay, so now click new, give name which is Kali Linux, version type will be Debian. So click next, then allocate the memory RAM size and click next and select virtual hard disk now. Now create, select disk image, next dynamic allocated, next. Now here we have to allocate the hard disk storage and that will be 15. Now click create. Now we can see here the Kali Linux is set up and you can see the details here, but we need to do more settings. Now click settings and okay, in the system disable the floppy and enable input output API-C. Okay, then under storage click here where it is empty here and select the ISO file which we have downloaded, that is this Kali Linux which we have downloaded previously. Select this and click open. Now the settings are done, click OK. And now then we have here start, click start. Kali Linux is getting installed. It takes around 20 minutes time to complete it. Now enter the host name. It will be Kali Lin. Domain name will be domain, give something. Configure the network. Here we have to give the full name and that will be something like Kevin. And set a password here. That will be anything. Continue. Continue. Yes, continue. all files in one partition. Yes. Continue. Select finish partitioning and write changes to disk here and continue. Click on yes here. Yes and continue. Now installing Chrome. Now the installation is completed. Click continue to finish the installation. Kali Linux is restarting. Now it is booting, as you can see here. Kali Linux is restarting. Now the installation has completed. We have to give username and password. Username is Now here is the home screen of the Kali Linux operating system. Here is the main menu at the top left corner. Click on it. Here we can find all the applications related to penetration testing, ethical hacking, and other software deployment tools. And we have the terminal here, which we use most. We can see the terminal has opened, and here in the terminal we have username and hostname, and we have successfully installed Kali Linux. And this is the end of the video. Thank you.